Hi, welcome to 2024 Term 3, Class 8, practicing video number 6. Now today we have a new wrist exercises and review the 2x2s from the technique book. We'll have a look at the concept piece, left hand, and then the piece from last week, robot marching, we're going to review it. Okay, now let's start with our new technique, which is the wrist exercises. To prepare our students to play more fluently in a faster speed, we're gonna start using our wrist. So the wrist is very important in drawing our forearm and our hands. So it's in the middle of controlling moderate or medium motions, medium-sized motions. So what we try to do or what we have been doing in the class this week is we're putting one finger from each hand. So we're starting from the middle finger, finger number 3. Press down on the keys. Any key is fine, so preferable you can do an octave. Finding 2 notes, they are the same. Okay, put the number 3 down, holding the key down and moving your wrist in all different directions. We try to keep our fingertips very tight. Lock the key so we don't leave that position. Doesn't really matter which direction that we go or how far we move our wrist. The finger, that number 3, holding the key down, you have to keep it still, keep the key down all the times. Okay, so if you choose 2 keys, let's press it down and hold it very tight, but loosen up your wrist. So give a little shake. See if you can shake it. Very relaxing and in an even beat. Good. Now relax your arms. We don't need to move arms, just the wrist. Go left and right. Tiny shaking. It feels like when we do the Mali dance or Pacific Island dance and your hands go like this. So it's a very relaxed, but one finger will be keeping in the middle. So we're shaking side by side. Alright, now let's do a circle. So we move to the left first. Both hands lean to the right, lean to the left as far as possible. Okay, as far as you can keep holding the key down, and then slightly go to the up, go up, and go right and back down. Left, up, right, down. Left, up, right, down. Faster. Left, up, right, down. Left, up, right, down. Keep the number 3 down. Okay, keep the finger down. Now going around once, twice, 3 times, 4th time. Okay, we put 4 stop. Let's do another 2 fingers. So I choose 2. We do B and B. Okay, so you can choose your favorite keys. Now we're gonna start from the other side. So lean to the right as far as possible, up, and then to the left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. Make sure your number 2 is still holding the key down the bottom. So the fingertips is tight. It doesn't lose the key, doesn't lose the position, but your wrist is rolling. Okay, now let's do a circle. Right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. To maximize the movement. Okay, now you can change to different fingers. G. Now this time we're gonna try to do a lava heart shape. So use your wrists. Okay, go in the middle and go around half circle, coming back. Go around half circle, come back. Feel like you're doing a heart shape. Good. Then you can do number 4, a different shape. For example, we can do a square. Go down, you can go up, down, and coming back. Up, right, down, left, go back to up. So you can do whatever you want with your wrist. Trace the letters, like in the class we do ABC. So A, and B, use your wrist, and we can draw your name. You can start with your letters and then go the next one, the next one. As long as you're holding the key down to the piano, you don't lose that position and your wrist is freely move up and down. So that's a really good exercise to start with. Now 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 most of the students can do it. Now we're gonna working on the speed. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Left hand. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Very relaxed fingers, but firm on the fingertips. Keep the key down to the bottom and very gentle. So each hand do 8 rounds. Okay, that's the technique part. Now the pieces, let's go through our robot marching. Robot marching, just make sure the tempo doesn't change because we're changing our hand position quite a lot. So it's quite likely that students pause or slow down in some challenging part. For example, the second line or the first line on the left hand, and the fourth line on the second page. So those parts that we need to shifting our hands, but we can't slow down. Okay, make sure you mentally and physically prepared. That means you're gonna pre-read or think ahead what's gonna happen next, where my hand's gonna go, and then you get ready on time. Okay, we have to shifting our hands quickly and more accurately. Alright, now I'm gonna demonstrate this one.